So there are certain sellotape residue. See this? And it doesn't go away like that. So what we have to do, we have to clean it with spirit. This type of residue. So this adhesive residue on the glass is not cleaned with soap or hot water. So what all you need is, you need any nail polish remover, any normal pad, and let's see how it works. Let me show you here. So let's see if it goes like that. It goes, but there is some residue here. So let me try to dissolve it with the nail paint remover. I'll open the bottle, pour it a little bit on this, something like this, and gone. It's that quick. See? So I'll close the lid. Let me show you. Here, there's a big residue here. See how quick it is. Since nail polish remover is just spirit, it evaporates quickly, so you have to ensure that the bottle is tightly closed, else it will evaporate. So this one, I'll have to take another drop to remove it. Maybe I can try. It's going. I think it will go. And yeah, it's gone. So this way, you can make your windows crystal clear. Now this one, yeah. And this one is gone. See? So I'll use it on few invisible things here, but yeah, that will also go. So again, take any cotton bud, just take one drop of any nail paint remover, nail polish remover, just take any cheaper one, and then you can apply it and it will go. Thanks for watching.